This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for September 11th, 2020. Corn market up 3.5 cents, soybeans up 18.5. Chicago wheat down 6 3/4, Minneapolis down 3 1/4, Kansas City down 2 3/4. So a very nice progressive day here once again for corn and soybeans. On the week, we saw corn up 17 3/4, soybeans up 36. Chicago wheat down 6, Minneapolis down 11 3/4, Kansas City down 1. You know, we're into these kind of key price count areas, folks. The attentive nature of marketing needs to pick up here between 365 and this 380 level. We've been continually reiterating the importance of getting up to marketing percentages and moving forward here as we work ahead. And that's where we feel you need to be looking at here in the days and weeks ahead. On the soybean market, those areas of interest were 983 to 1004, and we're getting into those price counts now here yet again. So again, we're looking at off the weekly lows, corn up about 61 1/4 cents. Soybeans up 126.5, so some great moves, some great opportunities. Do not overlook this. And just a reminder, things are usually bullish at the top of the market. What tends to go up on an escalator seems to go down in an elevator when things kind of change tune. So just be attention, be alarmed, and that's where we're here to encourage some marketing along the way and really kind of zone in on that. The crop report today, a 2.503 billion bushel carryout in corn, 460 million bushel carryout in soybeans. Even with the big demand, we're still looking at pretty adequate carryouts and the potential of a big South American crop. But let's enjoy the rally right now. We have not had any reversal characteristics yet. We are overbought, but we'll be watching for those very intently here. Live cattle up 42.5 on Friday, feeders up 82.5, hog market up 220 to 315. So big moves for the hogs this week, up 675, feeders up 235, lives up 107.5. Cash trade on cattle coming in at 101 live, 161 dress, down a couple, $1 to $2 on the week. Exports finally catching pace here, so good to see that for cattle. We needed that. Feeder cattle index holding firm. On the hog side of things, you know, exports were softer this week, but the last 2 weeks were off the charts, so should not be a surprise. African swine fever in Germany had that hog market on edge here Thursday and Friday, and we'll see just what that turns into. See if China comes to the U.S. for more hogs as a net result, but that's the reason we rally. Now it's a matter of getting the demand. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.